In the last 650,000 years, according to NASA, we've had roughly 7 ice ages where ice has advanced and retreated across North America in response to actually the Earth having slight changes to its axis as it rotates, causing changes in climate, a warming or cooling of the planet. Now this leads a lot of people to believe that what we call climate change now, or global warming, is something that happens naturally. In this instance, the global warming and climate change that we're experiencing today is not because of that. In fact, scientists have looked back through all those years, hundreds of thousands of years, through core samples and scientific methods where they were able to show the release of carbon into the atmosphere was always at a level that was not necessarily harmful. Until recently, in the last 150 years with the Industrial Revolution here in North America, our desire to pursue the American dream, which is general personal happiness and material wealth, material possessions, how much we have, how much money we make, how big our cars are, how much we travel, how big our houses are, all those things. Because of the pursuit of what we often call the American dream, we've set aside our stewardship for a healthy planet, in many cases with drastic and irreversible effects through extinction, deforestation, pollution of our waters, pollution of our air, the use of chemicals in the environment, many ways that we've created a problem by pursuing the American dream so we could all have a better life and have more money and have more personal belongings. Luckily, the American dream is starting to evolve now, and I believe, as we've shown again through NASA studies, that we've put more carbon into the atmosphere, our carbon footprint, as we say, in the last 50 years than we have in the last million years. We're starting to understand just how much we're negatively impacting the environment by pursuing all this happiness. We're also starting to understand as Eastern science starts to catch up with Western culture that's been telling us for millenniums that our emotional health is affected by the nature around us, and we can all be healthier and happier if we spend more time in an environment, and that environment has to be clean. So we not only need to move forward in the pursuit of the American dream, thinking much more about the environment and our impact on the planet, but we have to continue to think that we are a significant part of the cycle of the planet, and really we're the most advanced species and need to be stewards of how we use our air and our water and our fish and our wildlife. So we need to find a balance in the American dream where we realize that we can be very, very happy with less material possessions, with less use of fossil fuels. We can be very happy if we can spend more time in nature and appreciate those natural systems that allow us to have healthy lifestyles. The American dream is not as damaging to the environment as it once was, but we have a long way to go before I believe that the American dream and the pursuit of our happiness and material wealth includes a full understanding and involvement with our natural world.